Show and Tell. In this series, I take a look at some of my favorite tools that I have, and today we're going to turn our attentions to the most dangerous tool in the shop, the utility knife made just a wee bit safer. Here's the Olfa brand made out of Japan, SK-12 safety utility knife. Now, undoubtedly, you already have a utility knife of some variety, perhaps something like this. Brand doesn't matter. In this case, it's an NT Cutter snap blade knife. Snap blade knives are awesome because, well, they got this secure locking mechanism. You can always break off a fresh blade if you're doing something like, let's say, cutting shingles. You cut shingles and the blade edge always ends up full of tar and shit, and you got to break off a new blade every now and then. Yeah, also, this type of utility knife with that secure locking mechanism, it's nice and held in really, really tight. One of these, I have it because I need it for that sort of heavy duty work. However, on the bench top, what I ordinarily reach for is this guy right here. This here is a little bit more difficult to come a hold of because they are sold in the food service industry, like restaurants and I don't know, other sorts of places. Like, you can get them on Amazon, you can get them on eBay, whatever, but they are all stainless steel, which means that you can throw them in a dishwasher, an autoclave, or something like that, and you can clean them up good. Even the blade is stainless steel. Even though it's stainless steel, it does stick to a magnet, so you can hold it up on your shelf, on your pegboard or something like that with a magnetic standoff. Yeah, well, anyways, all stainless steel, but it just, why I like it is because it feels just right in the hand. You can grab hold of this thing, it's nice and lightweight and actuates so easily. And on your bench, what are you cutting? Are you always cutting shingles and linoleum? Heck no. Your most common thing that you're going to be cutting is opening up packages and boxes and stuff like that. And in that capacity, this here is perfect because the blade stows automatically. It gets out of harm's way, and you're not going to hurt yourself when you get into a package and you're so excited to see what's inside it. You're just going to snap it open like that, throw the blade down, and reach into your package and see what the heck it is that you got, and you ain't going to hurt yourself with the blade. Yeah, I really like this Olfa brand. They did come out with a new version, however. This is SK-12. The SK-14 is their current version. I'm a little bit skeptical of it because the difference between that one and this one is that one has this metal shroud that surrounds the thumb actuator. I'm not sure whether that's going to get in the way and make it a little bit less user-friendly. Undoubtedly, it's going to make it a little bit safer in a pocket. If that's your goal, to carry it in a pocket, then yeah, you want the one with the safety shroud. But on your bench, I just really like this one. This one here, in my opinion, is next to nearly perfection. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Take care, subscribe, and bye-bye.